Get down, nigga. Get down. Give me everything. Get down. Bro, ain't nobody gonna take me serious with this on. What the hell? Nigga. I bought this thing. I'm finna look tough, bro. Look like freaking Mr. Fluffles. Ain't nobody gonna ever take me serious. Damn. What's good, my nigga? Welcome to Cooking with a Cali nigga 101. We finna make some of these little tilapias with a side of 5-5s, as Crip Mac say. So first things first, turn on your oil, get it hot. It ain't come on. Oh shoot, little honest mistake, it ain't even plugged up yet. We learned it still. Alright, so boom. Then you gotta go get your 2 bowls because it's gonna be a dry mixture.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And a wet one. Alright, so boom. Get your little 2 bowls with 2 eggs. That's gonna go in a wet one. Then get you some little flour. Well, let's see then. That slap your mama. Taste so good, make you want to slap your mama. But am I gonna do it? No. Alright, so boom. No. Crack these eggs open in the bowl. Chef bro got D. I could do this with one hand. Not time out. Hold on, there's one more. Oh damn. Oh damn. There you go. Hold on, I gotta go throw these away and give me a little spoon. Little plastic folk. No, still there? Alright. Scurf this up real quick. Little whip. Come on. Then get you a little bit of that seasoning. Very generous because you gotta put some in the other one too. I think that's what that means, generous. A little light, I think that's what it means. Then you gotta get you some flour, not too much. Gotta get a little bit. Oh damn. I need to take some of that out. Oh damn. Alright, that should be good. I think it's still too much. Well, we're gonna see. Oh, y'all wanna see me whip it up? In the kitchen wrist, whip it like a stir fry. Hold on. Get it off the side. In the kitchen wrist, whip it like a stir fry. I don't know the rest. Mama! Hey, get it, let do it, let go. Just get it right. Let go. Alright, so boom. The wet one done. And it's gonna look like that. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it now. So boom. And now for the dry one. You get your little some flour, enough for 2. Don't get too much like I just did. There you go. Then get your seasoning. Oh, I need another scraper. If you ain't got it like this, it ain't seasoned right. So make sure you season it right. Alright, now set that down. Can y'all see it? Now you can. But you can't see me. Alright, do that. That way. Alright, shaboom. Let me scoot that over so y'all can see. Alright, shaboom. You open this off and you go rinse these off. Open that up. Finna rinse these off, I'll be right back. Oh shoot. Alright, so boom, now that these is rinsed it off, you gotta shake all the little extra little juices off. And then first, you go in the little wet one, boom, and you cover that up. Cover it up. You know what you do when you cold? You cover up. So do this like you cold, and cover it up. Think I should just drop both in there, but it'd be cool. And then you take it out, and you then you dip it in this dry little stuff right here. Alright. Then you cover it up. Tight shit. Tight shit, tight shit. Alright, boom. Now scoot this one to the side. Now get this other one. Do the same thing as you did before. Remember what you do when you cold? Cover up. So you cover it up. Alright. Now, oh dang, making messes. Come on, man. You take too long. Speed it up. Come on, get it. Move this one out of the way. There you go. Alright, now, you did all the little covering up. Oh, hold on. Now you put a little high grease. Ooh, shit. Almost got me there, didn't it? Ain't even that hot. And while that's cooking, you clean your mess up. So I'll be right back. They almost done. Then I can make the cider 5-5s. Like Chris might say. But while we wait, go subscribe, nigga. Please? Pretty please? He's done, nigga. What I'm finna try? Hold on, let me pray real quick. Alright, let's dig in. Let's see how it tastes. Grab one of them 5 fries. It's your broke idea, ain't it? Dang, at least fine, yeah. Let me try a little piece of fish. Oh, it's good. You can hire me. If you need a chef, let me know. But I'm finna finish eating that. I'll get back with y'all when I'm done. I just finished one too good, wasn't nothing special. But it was food, you feel me? So if y'all made this far, make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe. And the next video might be at the fair with some baddies, or it might be at the family reunion. So stay tuned so y'all can see it. Peace.